here once again from ShortMeTina.com with my daily recap. Before we get underway, before we unpack all of the stuff that happened today in the stock market, let's get a few things out of the way. First, if this is your very first time tuning into a ShortMeTina video, we'd like to say welcome. Comment in the comment section. Let us know this is your first time. Say hi. If you are a returning listener, I'd like to say welcome again or welcome back. And you can as well comment in the comment section, say hi. You know I generally say hi back. As I've indicated before, I think it is very fitting to start all of our videos off with our mission statement. Again, it sets the tone for not only what we do here, but in my opinion, it sets the tone for all of our videos. So what is our mission? Our mission is to build a powerhouse of successful traders and to help you find more winners. We conclude, if you win, we win. That is our mission, believe it or not. That is our mission. We're trying to transform traders. But before we can do that, we want to know, what is your biggest frustration? What is your biggest struggle in reaching your trading goals? And because it's been somewhat of a theme all week, let's wrap it up with the 3 pillars of successful trading. I've identified them for the past few trading days. I'm going to reiterate them now. In my opinion, they are methodology, money management, mindset, or mental discipline. Not discipline, but discipline, mental discipline. You need to have all 3, in my opinion, if you are to be successful in the markets. Do not kid yourself. You need to have methodology, right? You need, aka a plan. You need to be able to manage your money correctly. And lastly, you need to have that mental discipline, that mindset, that conviction, that resolve. Like I indicated before, I'm going to release a video very soon, so look out for it, perhaps even this Sunday, very soon, to our email subscribers, going into a bit more detail in regards to these 3 pillars, these 3 foundational principles. Again, we are here to turn out and to build successful traders. All right, so let's get underway with the recap of the overall markets. Actually, we have one more thing to cover, super important. This is the last trading day of the month, and I implore everyone to review their performance on a consistent basis. The time frame that you use can vary, but it is good to review your performance. It is the only way you're going to get better. How we do it is via a trading journal. How I do it is via a trading journal. I will link in this video how to use a trading journal, what data points you should be looking for as a guide. Again, if you're looking to be a high performer in terms of trading, you need to do these things. Do not kid yourself. You're not going to wake up knowing how to trade well. It takes some work. If you're not willing to put in the work, it will always be reflected in your performance. I guarantee you that. So if you're looking at your trading performance and it's not up to par, it is not up to your standards, that is because I'm going to conclude, and I'm not trying to offend you, I'm trying to get you better. I'm going to conclude because you are not putting in the work. Put in the work if you want to see those results. All right, so let's review the overall markets. All right, so we have the SPY, the S&P 500. We had a bit of selling today, off about 1.3% on the day, closed at 275.37. Let's focus in on price action here. Again, if you want more color on what was going on dating back to 2017, I implore you to pay attention to the other videos I've done, I want to say dating back to October of 2018. At any rate, let's start focusing in on price action here, February of 2019. So for the past 3 to 4 months, in my opinion, what pattern was forming in the shorter time frame, right? The longer time frame, 2017 to 2019, in my opinion, again, it was a channel. The shorter time frame from February to May, we had a head and shoulders top, left shoulders, right shoulders, head, neckline, which is a bearish chart pattern. So we broke that neckline of 280, and because we broke that neckline and we couldn't actually get above it, the price action or the SPY drifted lower. So yesterday I said to pay attention to that day's low, right, which was yesterday's low of 277, and the prior's day low, which was 276. We breached both those lows again to close at 275.37. The low of the day clocked in at 275.24. We closed at the low of the day. That should signal to you what? Question mark. You guys should fill that in because I've spoken about it time and time again. So tell me what should happen on Monday because of what happened in the SPY today. What else? All right, and then we have the IWM also off about 1.4% on the day. Like I indicated yesterday, shorter term support dating back to February clocks in at 148 to 150. I thought that would have held. It did not. We broke, closed at 145.86 on the day. The low of today was 145.32. Right now there is a little bit of support underneath that. So it would be interesting to see what happens in trading on Monday. You know, one of the main things that I always tell folks, you need to learn how to manage risk. And in situations like this, I think we should be managing risk at this point. Do I still believe that we are in a bull market? Absolutely. Expect your pullbacks. Use these pullbacks as opportunities to buy stocks that you've wanted to get into that have ran away from you. So anyway, let's see what June 1st, not June 1st. Well, let's see what the first trading day of June holds for us. What else? And then we have Zynga, ticker ZNGA, daily chart dating back to 2017. I want you to pay attention to price action that has unfolded. We can say dating back till December of 2018, late 2018, but we can also focus in on what's going on right now, right? So we have the markets that is off about north of 2% on the day, but yet Zynga is actually up, right? We're trading near, not all-time highs, but we're trading near 52 weeks highs, closed at 629. Again, for me, the stock is acting extremely bullish right now. A sustained break above this, and I think it's ready to fly again. As I've indicated before, I see this as an $8 stock in 2019 based on what I'm seeing right now with the chart. What else? And then we have ZTS daily chart still above its breakout base. Today closed at 101.05, trading relatively close to all-time highs of around 104. Again, another stock you want to place on your radar, place on your watch list. We got into this trade, full disclaimer, when the stock was trading in the low 90s. I still like it. I think when the market turns around and it gets going again, ZTS is definitely one of those stocks you want to have on your watch list. What else? And then we have Disney daily chart again, although closed at 132.04. So again, we're off some from the most recent highs of 142.37. But even despite that, we still remain above its the chart still remains, or the stock still remains above its breakout base. Similar to ZTS, similar to Zynga, when the market turns around and it's not doing this funky stuff that it's doing now, these are the stocks I really believe will charge back. So place Disney on your watch list. Full disclaimer, full disclosure, we got into this trade in the low 100. I like it. Initially I said 150. I see this as a $200 stock. So don't say I didn't tell you. What else? And let's wrap it up and round it out with ticker WT, Walmart daily chart. Let's just focus in on price action data back to 2018. We closed at 101.04. Again, another stock that we entered in the premium member community some while ago. But again, I still like it. I've still been paying attention to Walmart. I'm just waiting for it to have that massive break that I think it's going to have. Once it breaks above this red line here, on volume is super important. I think the stock will be ready to go. I have an initial price target of 110, but I still see, or I see 120, even 130 as a possibility. So put ticker not WDT. What am I saying? Put ticker WMT on your radar, on your watch list. So again, we're going to cap it there. Tina once again from ShortMeTina.com. If you enjoyed any portion of this video, I'd like for you to do three things for me. One, comment in the comment section If you are a new trader, if you're new to our videos, say hi. If you're returning or if you're a seasoned trader, say hi as well. Like, what inputs can you offer to the newer traders? Like, what lessons can you, again, offer to folks that are having a difficult time trading the markets? That's our goal here, right? We're trying to, one, build a community as well as build successful traders. So input from everyone, greatly appreciated. Comment in the comment section too. If you want more videos like this, I do them Monday through Friday. When the stock market is open, you can expect a video. So if you want that, head on over to our YouTube channel at ShortMeTina and hit that subscribe button. If you're subscribed, notifications are turned on. You'll never miss a video. And lastly, I've been trading for well over 15 years. If you think you can learn anything from me or this stock market veteran, then head on over to ShortMeTina.com. Sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening. As always, thank you for the support.